textile bill of materials, orders, modify, textiles and accessories, click OK, export, S1 buyer. Our order is F45, 1000 meters. So this is the finished fabric, 5 meters, 2% allowance, 1000 meters. Okay. So order number F45. MRP, process selection, add F8, F45, filter, double click, choose material purchase. So purchase of yarn, then we do fabrication, then we do fabric bleaching, then we will do fabric finishing. So the last process is fabric finishing. So the output of the last process is buyer's requirement. Okay, save, process selection is saved, done. If you want to modify, you can go to modify, F8, F45, filter, close. So this is the one, double click, check. Okay, right. After process selection, general BoM, add filter F8, F45, filter, first one. So fabric finishing, for fabric finishing the material will come from bleaching. Fabric finishing, white fabric. After bleaching, it is white fabric. So put the focus on current item. Okay, just current item. Okay, insert RM. Always ensure your focus is on the current item when making the order entry. Okay, I mean BoM entry. So your code is 63. This code will not change because bleaching white fabric goes for fabric finishing. Double click here. Okay, filter. So you can use filter. You already know the item code HO bar 63. Type HO/63. Okay, apply. Okay, the same fabric, select, set, close. Okay, say 1 meter per meter. There is no change in consumption, right? If you want to give any allowance, you can give an allowance, otherwise you can leave it blank. Next, select bleaching, white fabric, but here it should be colorless fabric. Okay, so here it is 100% cotton velveteen SRC white, but you need a colorless fabric. Okay, insert RM. Okay, we'll select the FG item here, insert RM, double click, search for velveteen SRC2, filter, fabric woven, 100% cotton, velveteen. Okay, SRC2. Okay, apply. Okay, here it is already with white color. We need a colorless fabric. So to create a colorless fabric, we just click close here. We open item master, add fabric woven, 100% cotton, velveteen, and then this is SRC2. no SRC2 here. 6 SRCs. SRC2. Okay. Then it is no color. Leave the color blank. Count not required. Width, yes, you can add the width, 58 inches width. Click OK. No, no, exit. Okay. Now you can double click here. Filter. You need a woven fabric with velveteen. Velveteen, apply, close. So you select this. This is your fabric. Now you need a velveteen colorless fabric. Before that, click on refresh here. Refresh. Item master is refresh. Now filter for velveteen. Fabric woven. Velveteen. Apply. Close. So you have the colorless fabric here. Select that. Set. Close. So for bleaching, you have a white fabric as finished goods and colorless fabric as the input. If you require any allowance, let's say 2% allowance, you can give the allowance, right? Then the next process, fabrication. So this colorless fabric, we need to provide the yarn. Again, insert item, double click here on the item code. So you decide what yarn to be provided. Let us say we provide 30 count yarn. Okay, let us say two yarns let us provide, 30 count, and click on set. Then 10 count, click on set. No. So you've given 30 count. Let us say the ratio for this yarn is 600 grams for 1 meter. Okay, and let's insert one more RM. So we give a 10 count yarn, set, close, and this is 400 grams. So both put together it becomes 1000 grams. Always give ratio in grams for 1000 grams. Okay, now per meter of fabric it may not be 600 and 400, so you can proportionally reduce it. Let us say your weight per meter of the garment is say 500 grams, then you can make it in the same proportion. Let's say I make it 300 grams per meter. This one can be 200 grams per meter. So per meter of the garment will be 500 grams. That's it. Okay. So you can check fabric finishing, white fabric, bleaching, white, colorless fabric, fabrication. Okay. Now click on estimate. So here material purchase yarn, two yarn, total so much kgs, velveteen fabric, so much meters, colorless. Then bleaching, white color, fabric finishing, so much meters. So this is your fabric bill of materials.